Hey there! So, you've been thinking about diving into the world of video editing, huh? Whether it's a passion for storytelling or just the allure of a profitable side gig, starting a video editing side hustle can be an exciting and profitable journey. Let's dive deep into the how, the why, and everything in between. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with the tools, strategies, and insider tips to kickstart your editing hustle. Why video editing? We live in a digital-first world where content is king, and video is the crown jewel. With platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitch booming, the demand for engaging video content has skyrocketed. From influencers needing professional content, businesses launching marketing campaigns, to individuals looking to preserve memories, everyone needs quality video editing. This means one thing: there's money to be made in video editing. And unlike many side hustles, it doesn't necessarily require a huge upfront investment. Key reasons why video editing is a killer side hustle: high demand. Videos are used everywhere, from social media to businesses, personal projects, and even education. Work from anywhere. All you need is a good computer, reliable internet, and you're ready to go. Creative freedom. Video editing allows you to tell stories, convey emotions, and deliver messages visually. Potential for scaling. Start small, and over time, you can turn this side hustle into a full-fledged business. What you'll need to get started: the equipment. You don't need the fanciest setup to start, but you do need a functional one. Here's what's essential: computer. A good laptop or desktop is essential, preferably one with high processing power, i5 processor or above, decent RAM, 8 GB or more, and a solid graphics card. Editing software. Depending on your skill level, there are free and paid options. Start simple. Free options: DaVinci Resolve, HitFilm Express, iMovie for Mac users. Paid options: Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro X. External storage. Video files are huge. Get an external hard drive, 1 TB or more, to store and back up your projects. Headphones. Invest in a pair of quality headphones. Audio is 50% of the video experience, and you need to hear things clearly. The other thing you'll need to get started is the skills. While equipment is important, your skills are your bread and butter. You don't have to be a pro from day one, but you'll need to continuously develop your editing skills to stand out. Learn the basics. Start by understanding basic cuts, transitions, and color grading. Master audio. Poor audio can ruin a good video. Get comfortable with balancing audio, noise reduction, and adding background music. Storytelling. Editing isn't just about making clips look good. It's about telling a story. Learn how to pace your edits, build momentum, and maintain audience engagement. YouTube tutorials. There are endless free tutorials available to help you learn. Whether it's mastering a tool or learning a specific effect, YouTube is your best friend. Finding your niche. Like any business, specialization can help you stand out. Rather than being a jack of all trades, consider focusing on a specific type of video editing. Here are some niche ideas to explore. YouTube editing. Many content creators need help with intros, transitions, and overall pacing. Social media clips. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook videos require fast-paced, engaging edits. Corporate videos. Businesses often need internal presentations, explainer videos, and ads edited. Weddings and events. Personal milestones. Like weddings are always in demand, and people will pay top dollar for great memories. Finding a niche not only helps you target your marketing efforts, but also positions you as an expert in that specific area. And experts can command higher rates. Building your portfolio. Before you can land paying clients, you'll need to show off your work. Your portfolio is a living, breathing showcase of your abilities. Start with what you have. In the beginning, you might not have any real projects to showcase, and that's okay. Here's how you can build a portfolio from scratch. Edit your own projects. Even if it's just travel videos or a highlight reel of your dog, showcase your editing style and creativity. Volunteer for friends and family. Offer to edit videos for friends, family, or local businesses. In exchange, ask for testimonials. Create spec work. If you're aiming for corporate or YouTube clients, create mock edits of content in that niche. This helps potential clients visualize what you can offer. Showcase your portfolio. Once you've got a few videos under your belt, it's time to show the world. Build a simple website. Platforms like Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress allow you to create a clean and professional site to showcase your work. YouTube or Vimeo. Upload your videos on YouTube or Vimeo. Make sure the platform you choose allows high-quality video playback. Social media, Instagram, and TikTok are great places to showcase shorter edits and drive engagement with potential clients. Getting your first clients. Now that you're equipped with the skills, tools, and portfolio, it's time to find clients. This can feel daunting at first, but with the right strategies, you'll land your first paying gig in no time. Freelance platforms. Start by signing up for freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com. These platforms already have thousands of potential clients looking for video editors. To stand out, craft a compelling profile, offer reasonable pricing initially, and collect positive reviews. Networking. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Here are some ways to tap into your network for clients. Social media. Post about your editing services on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Word of mouth. Let friends, family, and acquaintances know that you're offering video editing services. Referrals can go a long way. Local businesses. Reach out to small businesses in your area that might need marketing videos, explainer content, or ads. Pitching directly. If you've identified a niche, like YouTube editing, pitch directly to content creators or businesses. Personalize your message, attach a few examples of your work, and clearly explain how your editing can help them grow. Pricing your services. Pricing, the tricky part. When starting out, it can be challenging to figure out what to charge. Undervalue yourself and you risk burning out. Overcharge and you might scare clients away. Hourly versus project-based. Hourly rate. If you're new, charging by the hour might be easier. Track how long edits take and gradually adjust your rate as you become more efficient. Project-based. As you gain experience, you'll be able to estimate the time and effort needed for specific types of videos. Charging per project gives clients clear expectations and limits scope creep. Starting rates. When starting, rates can range between $15–30 per hour, depending on your location, niche, and skill level. For project-based pricing, simple edits for a YouTube video might range from $50 to $100, whereas a corporate video could go for $300,000 plus, depending on complexity. Increase over time. As you gain experience and build a solid portfolio, gradually raise your rates. Clients are willing to pay a premium for quality work, especially when you've established yourself in a niche. Scaling your side hustle. Once you've built up a solid client base, consider how to grow and scale your video editing side hustle. Outsource. If you're swamped with work, consider outsourcing parts of the editing process. For example, you could hire someone to handle basic cuts while you focus on more complex editing tasks. Offer additional services. Motion graphics. Learn After Effects to offer animations or text overlays. Sound design. Become proficient in sound design to offer complete audio-visual packages. Consulting. Offer clients advice on content strategies, video marketing, or production tips. Turn your side hustle into a full-time gig. If your hustle is successful, you might want to transition into full-time video editing. The key to doing this smoothly is planning. Have a clear financial goal in mind, save a safety net, and make sure your client base is stable before making the leap. Final thoughts. Starting a video editing side hustle takes time, dedication, and a lot of learning, but it's also one of the most flexible and rewarding side gigs out there. With the right mix of creativity, technical skills, and hustle, you could soon be turning your passion for video editing into a thriving business. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your gear, start editing, and make that side hustle dream a reality. Thanks for watching. And if you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.